I've seen a bunch of videos online of people comparing the cheapest foods to the most expensive foods with things like pizza, burgers, sushi, and even cookies. But I have never seen anybody try this with ice, which means we are actually going to be making the world's most expensive ice cube. So the first thing we need is, of course, water, and I got something special just for this video. Inside this box, I ordered some of the most expensive water you can get your hands on, and this one comes from the Canadian glaciers. Just this one bottle cost me over $100 with shipping, and I think saying it out loud, I really can't believe I spent that much on water.
Yeah, I agree.
And there it is.
Looks like vodka.
It really does. This water's journey started over 15,000 years ago in the ancient glaciers of Western Greenland. All right, and now we're gonna open it up. 15,000 years.
A fine vintage.
For this moment. Has a bit of a smell to it. So the first step is we need to get rid of this pretty vanilla ice. Water. It's less exciting than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, very anticlimactic.
Well, see, I didn't want to just end it there. So to make things even a little bit more exciting and a little bit more expensive, I got something else. This is a box of 24 karat pure gold. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut up a few leaves and put them in the ice. Oh my god. It's so staticky.
Wow. Just kind of let it fall on top of the water. There you go.
Okay, now we're getting some.
Yeah, now it's starting to look like something fancy. Maybe like poke it and make it sink a little bit. Yeah, like that. I think that's fine.
It just sticks to everything.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Okay. I mean, that looks definitely better, right?
Totally.
Now we just got to put this in the freezer and wait. And we're back. And here it is. I'll pop it out.
Oh! Chip
Dude.
off the old block.
Yeah, no kidding. This is probably like $5 right here. What's kind of crazy, this is literally the glaciers right here. Thousands and thousands of years of frozen ice just to be frozen again.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. What do you think? It looks a little bit different than normal ice, right?
Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it's misty.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And the gold just stayed on the top.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay, so to test how good it functions as ice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour 2 drinks. We're gonna put this ice cube in one of them, and then regular tap water ice in another, and we'll do some comparisons. All right, crack a little morning beer here.
Nice morning suds. Nice pour, Zach.
Looks about even, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So, in this one, we're gonna put our $100 ice cube. Oh my god, look at that. Look at it floating.
It has like texture to it.
Oh yeah. Look at it in the drink.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. So,
Yeah.
All right, and then in this one, these ice cubes are slightly smaller, so I think 2 is about the equivalent of that one. So we'll just put these tap water ice cubes in this one.
It's normie ice cubes.
And then, oh look, the gold is
Oh, it's starting to separate.
slowly separating. Look, I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah. It's a huge glob in the middle of the ice cube. Wow. It's like a nugget.
Now it's, I guess, time to drink it, and this is the big reveal of the entire project. Does this ice cube enhance your drink? First, we'll start with the tap water. Okay. Just tastes like a nice cold beer.
Thank you. Tastes like a cold beer. I don't usually put ice in my beer, but, you know, it's quite nice.
And now, for the big moment of truth here.
That sip was probably like $2.
I don't know if there's like some psychology at play here, but I swear this one is smoother. Try this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like smooth.
Right? Like, there is a difference.
Wow.
It's like actually adding to the overall flavor and like beer experience. No, like, I'll be honest, I did not expect this to make a difference. I thought it, like, in the back of my mind, I was also a little bit doubtful, and I thought it was kind of silly. But, like, it actually makes a difference. The quality of the water, the flavor, actually adds something to the drink.
Yeah.
So, what do we do now?
Bottoms up, pal.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Gold ball just lodged itself in my throat.
Did you swallow the nugget?
Yeah. Like and subscribe.